Alright, now that we're kind of got the battery disconnected and trying to charge that bad boy up, let's see if we can get this thing out without having to rip the cooling system apart. Squeeze it out. We got a belt adjuster bolt there. This middle bracket's definitely gonna have to come out of the way. So why don't we just get that out of the way now. Now I'm just gonna loosen that bolt. Just for starters. Okay. Should be a 10 mil on top of the alternator here. And it is. That's the hot for the battery cable. And there's another plug in the back of this guy. Just give her a squeeze and pull it up. And that's out. Kind of tuck this stuff out of the way. And only because I have the battery disconnected can I get away with throwing that hot wire around like that. So we got what looks like a 12 mil. Yep. Okay. Got that loosened up now. It's going to be another 12 millimeter for the adjustment nut. What do we got here? This one's clear, yep. I grabbed a 13, so here's a 12. Go. I'm going to use one of these ratcheting guys to get this rest of this bolt out of the bottom now. And this car is actually still hot from being driven in like this. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ow, owie. Ouch. Ow, ow. Almost. Top bolt looks like a 14. I got a feeling I'll need to jiggle this AC line around a little bit. Which has a 10 mil holding it down over here. So let's just get it out of the way. And that gives me a little bit of motion there. So now let's go after the 14. Okay, now we find out how much room we got to snake this guy out without breaking anything. Oh, it's almost out. There it is. It's out. Okay, I've done an identity match. Seems like we have a DNA replica of what came out. Try and get this one back in. There we go. Gonna cup it around the top bracket first so I can swivel and hang it. Use that long bolt again. Not sure where I lost you guys. There we go. Get it started. And try to walk it in a little bit. So 14. Not going to tighten it yet. Let's get back down. What you want to have happen? I dropped it. So we'll use our magnet. Retrieve that bolt. So again, you gotta put it through the adjuster. Kind of trying to blindly feel for the hole. And I think I got it. At least a couple threads. Yeah. And while that's all loose, the belt's still in this kind of general position. I'm going to try to route that over. Get it back around the AC compressor down there. Put some general tension back on the belt. Okay, it's not tight at all. Got everything just kind of. Gonna run that 12. Put a tensioner nut down a little bit just to snug it up a little bit. It's got a lot of room still. Don't want to tighten it. And now I'm going to tighten the belt. Make sure it's routed. It's in all the grooves. So on these serpentine belts, when they're tight, you want about a quarter turn when you check their tension. And it's feeling pretty good from my micrometer standards. Now I'm going to tighten up both of the pivot anchor bolts. Wrong size. That one's a 12. I'll use the ratchet to secure that. Feel it getting tight. It's not a big bolt, so I don't want to crank it too hard. This 14, I can put more juice on. Move the whole car with that juice. Okay. Belt feels good. Put our AC line back in place. There we go. This anchor here is for a little structural security. Alright, got a couple wires to hook back up. Alternator comes with a new hold down bolt for the battery cable. Make sure it's slotted and flush. It's got a little tab on it, and if it ain't in a slot, you won't have a good connection. Go easy on these or break it off. Do it by hand. Just make sure it's got a nice little snugness to it. Put your little condom back over it. Plug that other connector back in. I think the condom kind of came apart on that, just from age. So all I really got left now, put the battery back up. Which I'm charging the battery, so we're gonna wait